Poco, you guys. I was on a whole 70s AM goal kick this weekend. Welcome to Marathon Mondays with Mal. It's a beautiful Coburg morning. It's December. Hope everyone had a good Thanksgiving and safe. I'm going to take this guy off. 1337. We're going to look at it. It's got about a month left of production, and there's a lot going on. We've taken a lot of resources and moved onto this coach, and you are going to love seeing what's happening in this coach this morning. I was just talking with Mark Williams. He's the lead engineer on this project, and a lot is going on. So we're going to run into 1337 custom coach. Excited for the family, of course, to see this. I'm sure they're watching this morning. So for the family who custom ordered Coach 1337, if you don't want any sneak peeks, don't watch, because we're going to be looking at your coach. There's a lot going on. Let's head on in. Hope everyone had a good Thanksgiving. Hope they were safe and doing exactly what they wanted to do over the weekend. Armand and I were just talking about all the craziness that we get into. So 1337. This is a double slide X3 custom coach. Basically what I want to do is show you the progress and the little things that we're doing to move this coach along. Last time we looked at it, it was pretty much just a lot of wire pulls, and a lot has happened in here. Cabinetry is in. There's a lot happening in the bays underneath. So let's take a quick look. Looks like the entire dash console has been installed. I'm not going to remove all the protective things, but as you can see, looks like the Marathon custom-made dash is in, and it's all leather wrapped. Very nice. And as you can see above me, the TV lift for the Salon TV is right here. Let's go take a look at the cabinetry back here, because you can see the colors that this is going to be. If you look in here, here's the engineered leather. This looks like it's going to be the pantry on the side of the refrigerator. And this is the beautiful color of the laminate throughout this coach. One of the things that we'll go back outside and take a look underneath how the progress is going over there. But there's a lot going on underneath also. Always fun to see what somebody will spec out in a custom coach. Here's the water closet. Looks like they're about to get ready to start laying the shower tile, and this is before all the protective materials go in there. So it's basically a wood shell right now. And of course, we do a lot of protective underneath all the tile. Everything is set up so that the shower keeps its quality over the years. Always nice to come in and take a look at how things are done before the tile work is done. Very nice. And if you look on this side of the water closet, you can see the storage that's going to be there behind the commode. There's some really neat features in this coach that we're going to be showing you when it's completed or when it's almost completed. You know, when a customer like this, who's very experienced at Prevost, at owning a Prevost conversion, whether it be a Marathon or someone else, they really have fine-tuned what they like, what they don't like in a coach, and that's where the custom aspect comes in, because they can fine-tune exactly what they get in their coach. And this is always really something that we like to show off. I'm gonna let Armand spend some time back here taking a look at this. Absolutely beautiful. You know, it's the way a coach should be built. We talk about it a lot on the show. We talk about it a lot as a marathon salesman. This is one of the things that really helps sell a coach is all of this wiring has the proper location. Everything is in its proper place, and it's installed in a fashion so that it can stand up for years, for multiple owners. And that's what you want. The chassis is designed to do it, so why shouldn't the house? This accent panel is really pretty too. It's just in the details. The fit and finish is going to be so nice on this when it's done. Each of these cutouts has a location. I believe these two are for the heated floors, or they're for the inverter readouts. Very cool. So a lot happening here. It looks like the header is up here above the bed. It's good to see a lot of the cabinetry in here. That means this week is going to be a lot more cabinetry also. I think they're going to start working on the galley here this week. And of course, we'll check in with Mark Williams when we get closer to completion. Maybe we'll have Mark in here with us and explain to us exactly what the customer did. One of the things I do know that they worked on heavily with our engineering and design team is the lighting. They were very specific about the lighting that they were getting in their coach. And so we sourced some lighting for them and worked diligently to get exactly what they wanted. And it's gonna be great because it's exactly what they want, and that's the key to a custom marathon. Let's go look outside. Let's go through the entry door, Armand. You can navigate your way down here. Bay 1, 2, and 3 are exposed right now. It's always great to see what these bays look like when they are partially done. As you can see, and this being an X, this is the, of course, you know what this is. This is for the TV, but look behind where the TV is going to be. You've got the water filters. You've got some of the cutoffs for the water. So it's basically like the other side of the plumbing bay, you guys. Very cool. And then if you look at bay 1, the power tray, the slide out, the storage power tray is being installed right there. Go look at the back side of this one, Armand. The paint job is very, very special to this customer. And Pete Sutton worked hand in hand with them. Pardon the dust on it. Of course, we'll show it to you when it's completed outside after it's been detailed. Great colors, great fades. If I'm not mistaken, this Pringle logo is going to be chromed out or stainless. course, everybody likes to see the Volvo engine that is in the rear of the X3, and there it is.
How we doing today, Mal?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Four inverters right there. Of course, you guys know, we've talked about it. Marathon went to a 4 inverter system. A lot of you want to see this a lot of times. This is the PowerTech 20 kW generator that is in the X3. It's a little bit different configuration in the H3. My man Eric Benjamin watching from South Carolina. Good to hear from you. And here's the other side of Bay 1. A big thanks to all the crew that's working on 1337, because we're every Monday morning we're invading their space. We're taking up their time, and as you can see over all of these episodes and all of these weeks that we do it, we try to not be so invasive. We try to get in there and get out. We try not to stop production for any reason, because production, a lot of people are relying on this coach getting completed, not just here at Marathon, but Scott Runkle. You guys know Scott. He's the head of our, he's the manager down in our cabinet shop, and he's been on this show before. A lot of people are relying on this coach to get done, and all these other coaches, and we don't want to stop production just for the Marathon show. And so big thanks to all the guys that let us come in, kind of take over the area, and come in and get out, show you guys a glimpse of what's going on. Other than that, as you can see, it's December, so we've got a lot of coaches being built, and we've got a few coaches that we want to get out before the end of the year. This is one of them, Coach 1337. Thanks for watching, everybody. Don't forget to be yourself and do good things. Be safe, take care, and I'm out there wearing my mask. You should too. Take care.